Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in one of my previous videos I showed you guys how to style the LSC Elevated Scarf Set as dresses. So today we're going to be dealing with the bags. Hey, like it's so amazing. I can't even hold myself. Like I'm so excited to teach you guys how to create these bags with these scarves. It's a 4-in-1 set that comes with 2 scarves that have fringe tails, 1 chain strap and 1 leather strap. Did you guys notice the head wrap on my head? It's in the Lara Savage Creations collection. You can check out my Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. You'll see the amazing designs of head wraps, scarf sets that we have to offer. I'm also going to drop the video of how to style the head wrap set in more than 7 ways. Let's get our intro in and get started already. Hey, let's go. Before we go on, please subscribe, like this video, share this video. I'm sure a lot of people would want to learn so many things from this channel. It's beyond amazing. So first up, we have the tote bag. All you have to do is grab 2 corners and tie them in a double knot together. You can pick the fringe tails, you can pick the one with 1 fringe tail and 1 normal corner and just tie it together. That's all you have to do. Once you're done, just put your hand through that hole and your bag is ready. I made mine really small just to show you guys that even if it's small, it can still take so many things. I've grabbed my camera, my lens, my notepad and things that I usually need sometimes when I go out, and that's basically it. It took every single thing and it's still spacious, so beautiful. Next up, we have the beach tote bag. This is the same thing as number 1 but a bigger version. So you just do the same thing you did before and just hold it together. That's it. For those people that like to carry their bags on their shoulders, go to the beach, this is the perfect bag. So using the scarf as a bag that you're putting the things you need for your picnic, you can also use this scarf as your picnic scarf that you lay on the floor and you and your friends will just sit on it and just enjoy yourself. You are having a good time and being super sustainable at the same time. Yes, that's what we're looking for. Next up, we have the Fancy Nancy. We're going to tie both corners diagonally, so you're tying 1 fringe tail and 1 normal corner because it's diagonally, and you're tying it in a knot about 7 inches down. Yes, 7 inches, and take the second one that you just tied and tie it together in a double knot. Now pick the 2 that you didn't tie and just tie it in a double knot as well. That would be what will be where you carry your bag from, and that's it. This is a small version of the bag. I'm still going to show you guys a bigger version. It can still take so many things. I just love it. The anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. So here's the bigger version of Fancy Nancy. Just do the same process as the previous one. I think why I named it Fancy Nancy was because the day I carried this bag, I was like, this is giving me Fancy Nancy vibe, and I kept saying Fancy Nancy, and I decided, you know what? This bag is going to be called Fancy Nancy. You shall be called Fancy Nancy, and that's what I did. This is it. It's looking, bigger than the first one because I purposely did it that way. And just throw it over your shoulder and the bag is ready. Look at the way the knot, falls. This is secure. Nobody's putting their hand inside. This is a secure bag, so you can carry it wherever you want, however you want. Next up is the 4-way knotted bag. Now we're knotting all the 4 corners about 7 inches down. Once you're done tying all the corners, just pick 2 corners and just tie it together, and that's your bag. Your bag is ready. Look at it. It's so spacious. Even if you tie it in a smaller version, it still takes so many things. You can also put it down, put the straps into each other. But be careful, this one is going to be open, so put the open side beside you where your body is going to be and let it rest on your body, and that's it. Your bag is so beautiful, looking so amazing. I love this bag actually. I always carry it when I'm, you know, in a sweet mood. So this is a smaller version and I'm going to make it in the more secure way. You can still use this secure way for a bigger size, the one I did before. You can still use this same method for it. So instead of tying it, you know, parallel to each other, we're going to pick it diagonally and just tie it in a double knot. So once we've done that, we're going to pick the remaining two and put it under and just tie it in a double knot as well. So now you have a crisscross kind of security, basically. Like I said, you can use it in a bigger version. I made it bigger here so you can still have a secure bag. You're not scared of anybody putting their hand through your bags. So this is the easy knotted bag. So we're going to just tie it once diagonally, then pick the two fringe tails together and just pull it together and tie it in a double knot at the end. That's all you have to do. It's easy, just like the name implies, easy knotted bag. I put in my valuables so you guys can see that even if it looks small, it's still spacious and it's secure. Nobody's going to be putting their hand into your bag. It's secure, super chic. I love how the knots, you know, look at it. It's so beautiful. So next up we have the backpack. I've been waiting to do this one. So we're going to tie it diagonally about 7 inches down from the end of the fringe tails, not from the beginning of the fringe tail. Then tie the second side in a 7-inch knot. Once you've done that, grab the remaining 2 sides that you didn't tie at all and just, you know, tie it once in a single knot. Then pick a fringe tail to correspond with a normal corner. Then tie it together, then do the same for the other side, and your bag is ready. It already, you know, looks like a bag that you can take on adventures, those that love sightseeing, things like that, traveling. This is good for you guys. So I'm going to wear it now so you guys can see what it looks like at my back. You can also carry it as a handbag just like I've done here, or even do it the way I did the other one, just put in the straps into each other and just carry it on your shoulder. You have 3 bags from just one style. Like, it's so beautiful. This one is super secure than the other one. Nobody's putting their hand in this one. If you want it, you know, even closer to your armpits, you know, you can just untie that one you have and just make it tighter, like what I'm doing here, then put it over your shoulder and that's it. You have your bag that you don't have any fear that anybody's putting their hand in it. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have. Next up, we're using the chain. So just put it through one of the corners and tie it together in a double knot. Do the same for the other side. Just look at it, looking so beautiful, so chic. And if you want it even more secure, just grab the middle and tie it in a double knot. Now it's even going to give you a more beautiful shape. Look at it. Just look at it. I love how it drapes, how it falls. It's so beautiful. So now we're using the leather. Now we have a buckle at the end of our leather strap. So we're going to put 1 fringe tail and 1 normal edge into the buckle and tie it once. You can tie it twice if you're, you know, scared that it might come off, but I'm serious, this is going to be really secure. I've tried it several times and it didn't fall, it didn't do anything. Just like we've done the other one, you can just take the middle and tie it together to make it even more secure. Your bag is ready, beautiful, looking all glammed up. I've put in all my valuables. Like, it's super spacious, guys. Yes, I'm so excited to finally drop this video. I've been wanting to drop it since last week when I dropped the one of the dresses. I'm going to link it up here so you guys can check that out also. Reach out to me on Instagram at Lara Creations if you need help with your CV, if you need help with content creation. I'm always ready to work with you at your own pace, at your own capacity. You know, I'm also only 1 DM away and I'm ready to answer your questions. Do let me know which ones you love the most. Tag me on Instagram when you try them. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, Share this video within and outside your circle. Also comment in the comment section so I would know, what you want to learn about, things you want to know. And it's also a great way to connect with you at the same time. Yes, it's still your favorite girl from Nigeria, Lara Savage, signing out.